I need you to watch this footage because what you're about to see defies everything you think you know about flight. This barn owl is hunting a mouse in complete darkness, and the mouse has absolutely no idea death is coming. Now compare that to this pigeon. You can hear it from 50 feet away, right? Every bird makes noise when it flies, except this one doesn't. I've spent months trying to understand how a 2-pound bird solved a problem that aerospace engineers are still struggling with. How do you move through air without making a sound? So I got access to some seriously high-resolution microscope footage of owl feathers, and what I found blew my mind. Check this out. See these comb-like structures on the leading edge? They're called cerations, and they're doing something incredible. When air hits a normal wing, it creates this massive rush of pressure. But these tiny teeth break that air into dozens of smaller streams before it even touches the wing surface. Now look at the surface itself. It's not smooth like you'd expect. It's covered in this velvety, downy texture that's basically a sound-dampening blanket. But here's the coolest part, the trailing edge. On a normal bird wing, air snaps off the back like a rubber band, creating that whooshing sound we all recognize. The owl's trailing edge has this flexible fringe that lets air pass through like water through a sponge. I worked with a fluid dynamics team to model this, and what happens is insane. The wing creates thousands of micro-turbulences that actually cancel each other out.